2014 to 2016 Toyota Highlander USB port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2016 Toyota Highlander. I'm going to show you how to replace the USB aux port right here. It's actually pretty easy with the right tool. You don't want to use any flatheads or anything like that could scratch the interior. So the tool we're going to use is a plastic pry bar interior tool. They're $5. You get like a little pack of them, and if you really want to, you could use a flathead, but you're probably going to scratch your interior, so I don't recommend it. And all you do is you take this little tool and you put it right between the USB port and the center console, and you just twist it, and it'll pop the USB port out like this. And then you just slowly pull it out. Thankfully, there's a long wire harness. There's a little center thumb button. You push that thumb button and then pull the connector backwards. Don't pull by the wires, and definitely do not let that connector fall back in that hole. And then, yeah, so once you get it out, here it is right here. The part number should be on the side, 86190-0R010. These are sold on Amazon. You can get a Toyota genuine one, or if you want to go aftermarket for less price, you can. I recommend going Toyota, but you could get whichever one you want. I'll link them below. So when you get your new one, all we got to do is take it and plug it in, and then pretty much go in reverse order. So we're going to come up here and then very carefully plug the connector into the USB port. Again, do not let it fall back in that hole, and just clip it in place. It should kind of clip in and lock in place, and then all you got to do is push the USB port back into the hole, and then that's it. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. Check for links below. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated.
Guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.